The CUCHEN CRS-FWK0640WUS Rice Cooker offers remarkable versatility with its dual heating system, allowing you to choose between pressure and non-pressure cooking for the perfect rice texture. This rice cooker is designed to cater to the needs of growing families, with its 6-cup capacity, making it ideal for preparing meals for larger households. With 10 menu options, including both pressure and non-pressure settings, you can easily prepare a variety of rice dishes, from sticky rice to fluffy grains, to suit any meal. The easy open handle feature ensures convenience and safety, allowing you to release pressure and access your cooked rice with a simple turn. Its stainless steel detachable cover and innovative Dyking coated inner pot make cleaning effortless while ensuring durability and resistance to scratches and high-pressure steam. The advanced functionality of this rice cooker includes automatic steam cleaning and a removable water drainage tray, enhancing its overall efficiency and user-friendliness.